Water is a basic necessity, but where do you get the water from? This is African village life. The rains are always plenty. Running water. But water from those rock reservoir is fresh and very clean, ready for domestic use, especially for drinking. It is down the hill, and that means you need to go up the hill with the water. But first, let us fill our bucket. The source does not only offer water but also clay soil, plenty a few meters from the river source. Finally, it is time to put our head to task, our legs up the hill. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe, like and comment on this video and share.